Here we are with the blizzard of 2010 in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. We are up on the Upper West Side, Circular Avenue and Robinson, Columbus. Practically whiteout conditions. Here's Robbins Avenue, and boy, it's whiteout, literally. On that end, you can't see hardly too far up the road here. That's Columbus Avenue. Snow's coming down. Wind's picking up again. Now we got total whiteout on Circular Avenue here. And boy, it is not pretty out here. Not fit for man or... That is coming down. This is wind-driven snow here. We're up on the hill on the west side, Circular Avenue area, in the 70 block.